Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to manage deliverables using Zoho Project. Now, managing deliverables is crucial because it helps you ensure that all aspects of your project are completed on time and to the right standard. First off, we need to define our deliverables. In Zoho, you do this by going to the Tasks and Milestones tab and then clicking Add Task. Here you can specify what the deliverable is, when it's due, and who's responsible for it. The reason we do this is to clearly outline what needs to be delivered, which forms the basis of our project management. Next up, we need to track the status of our deliverables. Zoho Project allows us to do this with its Task Progress feature. By updating the status of each task as it progresses, we can keep a real-time view of how our deliverables are progressing. This helps us because it allows us to quickly identify any potential delays or issues. Now that we've done that, we need to establish a method for reporting on our deliverables. Under the Reports tab, Zoho Project gives us a number of options. I recommend the Task Report, as it gives a comprehensive overview of all your tasks and their statuses. Regular reporting is important as it keeps all stakeholders informed about the project's progress. Lastly, we should review our deliverables. Under the Review and Closure tab, we can assess whether each deliverable has been completed to the desired standard. This final step is crucial because it ensures that we're delivering quality output and that nothing has been overlooked. So, to wrap things up, managing deliverables in Zoho Project involves defining your deliverables, tracking their progress, reporting on them regularly, and finally, reviewing them to ensure quality. By doing this, you'll be well on your way to delivering successful projects. And that's a wrap on how to manage deliverables using Zoho Project. Until next time, happy project managing.